Spending $5 on coffee.
Happy. Totally worth it.
Spending $5 on an app.
Too expensive.
Dogs in the street.
Aw, so cute.
Dogs in the house.
Get off the couch.
Rain when they're home.
Relaxed. So cozy.
Rain when they're going out.
Ugh. Ugh. Ruin my day.
Birds singing at 6 p.m.
How lovely.
Birds singing at 6 a.m.
Shut up.
Fire in a fireplace.
Romantic.
Fire in the kitchen.
Ah! Help!
Earth arthropod.
Why are you screaming?
Sea arthropod.
Why are you melting butter?
Alarm on weekdays.
Hit snooze 10 times.
Alarm on weekends.
Wakes up before sunrise.
Fridge full of food.
There's nothing to eat.
One snack left.
This is gourmet.
Standing in an elevator alone.
Silent.
Standing in an elevator with one stranger.
Stares at the floor numbers like life depends on it.
Can remember childhood embarrassment from 15 years ago.
Can't remember why they walked into the kitchen.
Gets in bed early.
Suddenly remembers every awkward thing they've ever done.
Forgets password.
Changes it. Forgets new password.
Can't find scissors.
Uses keys, knife, teeth, anything but scissors.